Okay, well, here are smart tips and solution to build and maintain a modern luxury tiny home on wheels. Then for the first aspect is about the plan ahead. We can consider about the detailed design. We can create a detailed design and floor plan that incorporates luxury features. Then for the second point of it is about the budgeting. We can set a realistic budget and prioritize luxury elements. Then for the second aspect is about the choose high quality materials. I mean, it was important to choosing the high quality materials for our better tiny home on wheels. So for the first point is about the luxury finishes. We can use high-end finishes like hardwood, marble, and stainless steel. Then for the second point of it is about the durable materials. We can select materials that are both luxurious and durable. Then for the third aspect is about optimizing the space. We can use the multifunctional furniture, and we can use high-end multifunctional furniture that maximize the space, and we can set the built-in storage in our tiny home interior. We can incorporate built-in storage solution with luxurious finishes. Then for the fourth aspect is about the insulate properly. We can use a high quality insulation, because the high quality insulation is very important anyway. We can use high quality insulation to regulate temperature and reduce energy consumption. Then for the second point is about the thermal windows. We can install thermal windows to maintain a comfortable temperature. Then for the fifth aspect is about the electrical safety and luxury. We can hire a professional installer, or we can use a professional installation. We can hire a licensed electrical work. Then for the second point is about the smart home technology. We can incorporate smart home technology for lighting, temperature control, and security. Then for the sixth aspect is about the plumbing and water system. We can using a high-end fixture. Then we can use high-end plumbing fixture like rain shower heads and heated floors. Then for the next point is about the water filtration system. We can install a high quality water filtration system for clean drinking water. Then for the next aspect is about the weatherproofing. And for the first point is about the apply high quality sealants to prevent water intrusion. Then for the second point is about the weather resistant finishes. We can use weather resistant finishes for exterior surfaces. And for the eighth aspect is about safety features. We can use advanced safety system. We can install advanced safety system like smart smoke detectors and security cameras. Then for the emergency exits, I mean, it was important also. Then we can ensure there are adequate emergency exits. Then for the ninth aspect is about the regular maintenance. We can take the inspection schedule, and also we can create a regular inspection schedule to maintain luxury features. Then for the next point of it is about the address issues promptly. We can address any issues or damage promptly to maintain the luxury feel. Then for the 10th aspect is about the off-grid capabilities. Okay, well, for the first point of the off-grid capabilities is about the solar panels. We can install high efficiency solar panels for renewable energy. Then for the about the battery storage, we can consider high capacity battery storage for energy independence. Then for the 11th aspect is about the energy efficiency. I mean, it was sounds like a energy efficient appliance. We can choose high-end energy efficient appliance. Then it include for the LED lighting. We can use LED lighting to reduce energy consumption and enhance luxury ambience. Then for the 12th aspect is about the quality flooring. We can choose luxury flooring anyway. Then for the luxury flooring, we can use high-end flooring materials like hardwood, bamboo, or luxury vinyl tiles. Then for the second point of it is about the insulated flooring. We can ensure flooring is well insulated for comfort and energy efficiency. Then for the 13th aspect, it's about the secure appliance. We can apply the appliance installation. We can ensure appliances are securely installed and anchored. Then for the high-end appliance, we can choose high-end appliance that fit the luxury theme. Then for the 14th aspect is about the weight distribution. even weight distribution, we can ensure the weight is evenly distributed on the trailer. Then it's about the regular checks. We can regularly check weight distribution and adjust as needed. Then for the 15th aspect is about the tire safety. We can set the high quality tires. We can use high quality tires suitable for the weight and size of your tiny home. Then we can choose a regular tire checks. We can set regularly checks tire pressure and condition. Then for the 16th aspect is about the ventilation. We can set the proper ventilation, and also we can ensure proper ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. Then for the high-end ventilation system, we can incorporate high-end ventilation system for optimal air quality. Then for the 17th aspect is about the quality construction. We can choose durable materials. We can use high-end quality finishes for interior and also the exterior of our tiny home on wheels. Then for the second point is about the flexibility. We can design with flexibility in mind to appeal the future's buyers. Then for the 19th aspect is about the maintenance tips. So for the first point of the maintenance tip is about the regular cleaning. We can use regularly clean and maintain your tiny home to preserve its luxury feel. Then for the second point of it is about the seasonal checks. We can perform seasonal checks to prepare for different weather condition. Then for the 20 aspect is about the enjoy your tiny home. For personalization, we can make our tiny home feel like home with personal touches and luxurious decoration. And then about the community, we can connect with the other luxury tiny home owners for support and advice. Then for the 21st aspect is about the incorporate luxurious fixtures. We can set the high-end fixtures. We can incorporate high-end fixtures like marble countertops and luxurious lighting, because it will be affected for our interior vibes of tiny home on wheels. Then for the second point of it is about the smart home features. We can use smart home features to control lighting, temperature, and security. Then for the 22 aspect is about the use high-end storage solution. We can select a custom cabinets, and then we can use custom cabinets and storage solution that fit the luxury theme. Then for the second point of it is about the hidden storage. We can consider the hidden storage. Then we can incorporate hidden storage solution to maintain a clean and organized look. Okay, then for the 23rd aspect is about the stay organized in our interior of the tiny home. Then for the first point of it is about the luxurious storage solution. We can use luxurious storage solution like designer bins and baskets. Then for the second point of it is about the regular decluttering. We can regularly declutter our tiny home to maintain a sense of space and luxurious of our tiny home itself. Okay, well, by following these tips and solution, we can build and maintain modern luxury tiny home on wheels that's both functional and opulent.